Welcome to another Power Hour presentation from the Canada Growth Network.
For me, pictures tell a thousand words, so I use a lot of synonyms and acronyms in here and there, and I'd rather like just show you what we kind of do in a nutshell, right? So I think that'll really help in terms of order taker. If you go to our website, we have some really some terms that we use that make things a little bit more ambiguous than you would like. For example, we define ourselves as an interface layer that sits on top of ERP solutions to offer gaps in what they provide and to fulfill those gaps. A lot of people will say, well, what are those gaps? What are those things that you're looking for? So we define those as CRM, sales automation capabilities. We cover operational capabilities, and we cover sales oriented that really supports the business and helps it grow and helps it advance across existing solutions in the market that don't do these things or don't do them well. For example, when I was growing up, I went to the University of Waterloo in 1999 and I graduated in 2004. But we were still working with on-premise systems at the time. Cloud-based systems were just coming out, and to this day, like it's 2026 now, and on-premise systems still predominant in the industry across many different customers. And because they prefer to keep their data secure and on to themselves, they actually end up like losing out on-premise systems don't do very well on in terms of mobile capabilities because you have to get through the firewall. So that those are things that we provide benefits on. So I'll just walk you through, how systems like ours can benefit you. So we have a order takers, both a back end and a front end application. It allows both your operational and sales teams to log into a portal that's accessible from our website, ordertaker.us, and it's just app.ordertaker.us. You click on sign in and it takes you here and it logs you in, and into the website it asks you for your company. You choose the company, and from the company dashboard you can pick a variety of different capabilities that we have. These are gaps that we fulfill across sales and ordering, dashboards, analytics, product catalog, customer CRM, accounting, purchasing, operations and fulfillment, and so much reporting and so much more. If I just go to one of these, say I pick orders, for example, this becomes an order management screen. We actually allow you to access order management across your ERP solution. So these are all coming from Intuit QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise, which is an on-premise system. And essentially you get to access all your orders are coming in from Wayfair and from directly from customers and from all these different sources, Amazon. They're getting collected here. Now you can either edit these orders or you can add orders directly from here. You can also filter the screen to choose what kind of options you want to see, and also add filters to narrow down to certain customers, certain vendors, certain users that have created these orders. So these orders can come both from Intuit QuickBooks, they can come from a mobile phone, a B2B e-commerce. We connect to Amazon, eBay. We're interfacing with a variety of different sources like EDI. If you're aware of any of the wholesale distribution or manufacturing terms, electronic data interchange is a place where large, big box retailers can send orders directly to you, like Costco, for example. And these orders get conglomerated here. And while that's happening, I'll quickly share what this looks like on the front end. So what you're looking at is order management on the desktop screen, but we also have order management in the back office. So it covers both a point of sales and CRM. So this is a sales automation solution that allows salespeople or even operational staff to access a point of sales catalog, a digital catalog that allows them to browse through various different items, view different kinds of sets of items across categories, subcategories, and more. It displays beautifully both in list view and full screen view, where you can actually see items. It can work across many different industries, not just furniture, but lighting, food and beverage, cigars, any luxury products, jewelry. We were approached by some very large retailers that found our solution to be extremely beneficial. And because of the way it's positioned, the way it does a great job in terms of displaying itself, and provides you access to a lot of different kind of lists as well. You can look up items by last 3, 6 months, 12 months. There's a recommendations list here as well, which actually pulls up all your products. Artificial intelligence figures out what you should be selling to the customer that are in the market. And then as we start adding items, we can submit them through a cart. We can view order history and generate PDF order. PDF orders come up through synchronization with the back office and looks like this with your order. Generally, we can look at a CRM and access accounts receivable, a task to your calendar, and your calendar is also available to you on the left side. View customers on a map as well. Desert Florida, and you can add customers or even view more customer details across the timeline of this customer. Emailing, texting, calling is all available. All your phone contact details are all available as a CRM solution. Task management actually allows you to create tasks and schedule them on a calendar. So this is some of the schedule components that they've added. This is to call a customer at 9 a.m. next Monday. And finally, you can also see a dashboard of your and map out where your customers are on different stages of development for that customer, whether they're one decision maker brought in, presentation scheduled, qualified to buy, appointment scheduled, so on and so forth. Finally, we can time in and time out customers, right? Check in and check out well, right? To schedule to know how much time they're spending at the customer site, and even pull up dashboards and analytics for this customer, which displays essentially and any kind of analytics that you want to see as a salesperson, and you want to view what's being sold, how you're tracking month to month in terms of your sales quantities and dollar volumes. So it's really nice in that way. We do a lot, and these orders basically get conglomerated into this order management screen. Everything else you see on the left hand side and in the menu that we showed earlier allows you to configure and set up order taker. Whether it's something you want to configure and set up with your Wayfair, eBay, Amazon, B2B commerce, e-commerce, we can basically put all of that together for you.
Thank you for watching. We host a free to attend session every Monday from 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern.